Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So guys, I wanted to share with you a remote job that was just posted yesterday. So it is still very fresh. You have the time to apply for it. So for those of you looking for remote jobs, those of you looking for jobs to work from home, this is a great opportunity for you. All right, so if you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to people who are in need of it. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. All right, so guys, I'm going to share with you this remote job that just came up. It's a PA or office manager job. So if you're interested, don't click away, watch till the end, as I will share the details and the description of this job for you guys. So it is a remote job, completely remote, work from home anywhere in the UK. All right, so for those of you in the UK searching for jobs, I'll be bringing you updates on a daily basis, be it mystery shopping, be it remote job, be it any type of job at all that will help you to make money in the UK and even in Europe, America and Canada. I'll make sure to bring it to this channel. So guys, the other videos I made about mystery shopping, a lot of people have it's been having lots of engagement, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for those of you who have watched those videos. If you haven't and you're still searching for mystery shopping companies, go and watch those videos. They will help you. And if you have registered, please leave a comment in that video, let me know and help you further. All right, yeah. So guys, I'm going to share my screen to show you the job description and whatever you need, the qualifications for this particular job. It's completely remote. Okay, so watch till the end. I will also leave the link to the website in the description box, so if you want to apply, go there, click on it and apply. And also make sure you have a LinkedIn account. If you're looking for a job and you don't have LinkedIn account, I don't know what you're waiting for. My advice to you is to try and create LinkedIn account, because most of these jobs come up there. Okay, so guys, watch till the end, and I'll see you in the next slide while I share my screen and show you all that you need to apply for this job. So guys, this is the website. This is the job. It's a remote PA and office manager job. It's full-time remote. So what you need is the skills that you need for this job is attention to details, bookkeeping, and the rest of them. Okay, so it says, are you an experienced and organized PA and office manager looking to make a significant impact in a dynamic role team? So this is an in-person event business with a track record of producing industry-leading events in financial services. Okay, so the job description entails, it says they are seeking a dedicated and proactive individual to join the remote team as a PA and office manager. So this role will involve a wide range of administrative, organizational tasks, supporting their MD and team to ensure the smooth operation of the virtual business. So the key responsibilities include bookkeeping and accounts payable, email management and task prioritization, data management and data segmentation, meeting coordination and note taking. So executive support, MD diary, and email management. So the ideal candidate is someone with a strong organizational skills and attention to detail, excellent time management and multitasking abilities, proficiency in Microsoft Office suite, Word, Excel, Outlook, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. So this is what the ideal candidate must have. And about the company, he said, we are Money Next. We produce exceptional events in the BFSI sector. So about the salary, which I know is the most important part, the salary band for this role is between 25 to 37.5K. That's 25,000 to 37,500 pounds per year, based on experience of the role and working in B2B events. That's business to business events. So all employees work a 36-hour week with 25 days holiday included. This is an excellent opportunity to significantly contribute towards the growth of an event portfolio on an international stage. So they are also considering part-time. So if you want to be a part-time worker, they are considering that. So the role is based remotely, like I said. So guys, if you're interested, this is the company. It's called Money Next. If you're interested, go there and look at their company. So the company size is about 11 to 10 employees. It's a very small company. The headquarters is in Bristol. That is their head office in Bristol. Okay. Go and check it out yourself and see if you qualified, see if it is something you can do. It was just posted yesterday. So there's still plenty of opportunity for you to apply. Hopefully you get the job. Okay. So try and get a LinkedIn account so that you can be able to see jobs. Especially when I post them, you go there and check them out. Okay. So guys, that is the end of this particular one. And if another one comes up, I will share it tomorrow. So I promise to be sharing jobs here every day. Immediately they are posted, I share it to you guys so that you can go and check it out. This is the company, Money Next. That's the name of the company. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Don't forget to share this video. A lot of people are looking for jobs. Share it to your platforms, your WhatsApp groups. You don't know who you're going to help with this particular video. Okay, I'll share the link. I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can access it and check it out yourself. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video tomorrow.